Just 1 minute exercise to lose your belly fat, get a slim waist and a flat tummy. Today is your lucky day because I will be showing you tried and tested exercises which each one of my clients does who have a problem with a big belly. Because of that hanging big belly, they are not able to wear their favorite clothes, and because of which they often falter, and that is what creates a big barrier between them and their aspirational figure. Now today's video is going to target that very problem area, that stubborn belly fat, be it all kinds of belly fat, your upper belly, your lower belly, your side belly. Each belly fat will be targeted with this simple and easy exercise. The first exercise that I'm going to show you is a very simple exercise which will directly target your midriff, this very area, which is often called the abs. If you have a perfect physique, and I'm sure you're all aspiring to achieve that perfect physique, it's not very difficult, it's totally achievable. All you have to do is do this very exercise. It's a very simple exercise, completely beginner friendly. You have to stand with your feet shoulder width apart, push back your shoulders, and your core should be tight. Throughout all these exercises which we are targeting the belly area, your core muscles should be tight. Now pull your core in, tighten it, and this is what you have to do. Slightly you're going to lower your back. You're not going to strain your back a lot by doing this. No, you're not going to do that. Neither are you going to do this. No, it's not a high knee. This is the action that you are going to target. So let's do it together. So while you're trying to catch your breath after the first exercise, let me quickly talk about and show you the second exercise. It's a completely simple do-it-yourself for your side belly fat, often known as the love handles. Now, how many of you, when you try to reach out to the side belly, you can actually grab a piece of flesh? That's a complete no-no. That's not what we want. We want to fit into our favorite pair of clothes that have a cylindrical, thin figure. For that, the only exercise that will help you is this. Put your hands up like this and this. Try to reach out all the way to your elbow, your knee. If it touches your elbow, you're surely doing it right. Let's do it together. The third exercise is super easy, super fun and super effective, targeting your lower belly area. This lower lying area is often a problem, often a concern for many because they're not able to fit into their favorite pair of skinny jeans. To be able to do that, you need to do this very exercise. It's a simple and easy, effective method which you can do in the comfort of your own home. This is completely beginner friendly. All you have to do is stand with your shoulder width apart, your feet should be, and you just have to put your hands like this, kick and lift, kick and lift. Let's do it together. Now I'm going to show you a comprehensive exercise targeting the entire belly, your upper, lower and your side belly. This is super easy, super fun. Let's do it together like this. Well done. So I'm completely exhausted with these easy belly fat exercises. Has just got my belly burning. I can actually feel the burn and I'm sure you can too. So while I'm sitting down, all I'd like to let you know is when is the best time to do these exercises? That is the top most demanded question. The best time is any time of the day if you keep a gap of at least 2 hours between your meals and the exercise. But what is the most optimum time to do this exercise is early in the morning as soon as you wake up on an empty stomach. That's the best time. Now, how many times can we do this exercise? Well, I've shown you for 1 minute, but if you feel you need to do it a little bit more, you don't feel the stretch or the strain enough, then you can carry it on for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. You can do about 50 reps if you want. Take it up to 100 reps and you're sure to see even more amazing results.